So any productive garage needs themselves a quality floor jack, and Eastwood's 3-ton floor jack fits that bill. As the name suggests, it can easily handle up to 3 tons, getting your vehicle off the ground with ease. It's got a super low profile, so it's great for those lowered vehicles and can even be used with trucks and other rides. It's got a quick pump pedal feature that quickly gets the jack in place so you can start getting it off the ground. Also, fun little feature built right in is a tray to collect things like lug nuts while you're working. So do yourself a favor and grab yourself an Eastwood 3-ton jack and make life in the garage a little easier.